CEI offers DriverCare Connect and DriverCare CoPilot, two different and distinct solutions that were built specifically to keep your driver safe on the road.
Our approach is not necessarily to really dictate to our customers what solution we think is best for them. We'd rather provide our customers with options to solutions that we feel like they are best in deciding based on their culture and the objectives at hand for them. For example, each of our safety solutions provide their own kind of distinct value. DriverCare Connect integrates key metrics from traditional telematics solutions, and the metrics such as hard braking, acceleration, speeding, cornering, seatbelt activity. It uses these metrics to really proactively identify behaviors that may need some remediation. The customers, may depend on that are on these programs, may depend on telematics for other services as well, such as logistics, fuel, maintenance, and so forth. But our value prop that we provide with in terms of utilizing DriverCare Connect is to focus specifically on the safety metrics to really provide our value in collision reduction initiatives for our customers. While that kind of explains what DriverCare Connect is, while DriverCare CoPilot, that provides fleets with, that may not be otherwise, fully interested in a full-scale telematics solution, but if they're very interested in, say, the safety components that I mentioned earlier, braking, acceleration, speeding, and so forth, DriverCare CoPilot provides a lower cost solution than, say, a full-blown traditional telematics program. It also provides value in that it can, collect data a little bit more easier at, say, the driver level. A little bit more consistency than, say, the traditional solutions that tend to be focused, say, on the vehicle.